When Courtney's happy, everyone's happy.
You find your way back home.
2 days until I'm on stage. I'm so excited. Literally, I'm so excited. My suit, my tan, my hair, my makeup, everything is just perfect. I'm just so happy. I know that during peak week you should be like really moody and, you know, hate everyone and hate the world, but I literally love everything right now. I was really moody this morning, but now I'm just really freaking happy. I finally made it. I finally did it. Oh my gosh, like this is just so crazy. Like I did it with hard work. I never thought in a million years that this would happen. And I did it. And it was all thanks to, you know, my family, my boyfriend who pushed me into doing this, and my friends for just supporting me no matter what. You guys are amazing, and I'm just so thankful to have grown into the bodybuilding industry and the fitness industry and to inspire others. I am so blessed with all of that, and I can't thank you guys enough.
Find your way back home.
So now, I'm in my hometown, and I'm going to go inside for the first time and see my puppies. Now, my puppies aren't just any puppies. These are puggles. Not a pug, a puggle. It's a beagle and a pug mixed together. And they're the cutest little things in the whole entire world, and you guys get to see them, and I get to see them after a long, hard week. So, it's family time, guys. Look at the camera. Oh, you guys are gonna be movie stars. Yes, you are. Don't itch your butt. Coco, stop. Really? Puckle kisses. And she's still doing it. I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you so much for just being there and supporting me and supporting my channel, supporting my, you know, my Instagram, and supporting my Facebook, and just showing me love all the time.
Till you find your way back home.